Okay, fellas, hope you are doing great. These two are lens bags from the K&F. You can purchase them separately and you can purchase them as bundles, and it comes in different bundles for you. The one which I purchased is the small one and the X large one. You can go for the small and medium, small and large, and you can purchase 4 of them together. The price is not that expensive, something around 24-25 bucks for the bigger one, which is the X large one, and something around 20 bucks for the small one. And when you make it as a bundle, it's going to be a couple of dollars cheaper. I have investigated a lot to find out the best for just protecting my lens. Of course, there are some fancy brands which is more useful for landscape photographers, which they go in the field with the harder climate situations, with the rainy places and those stuff, which of course there are some very high quality products to support their needs. But for me, I need something which is kind of lighter and more accessible for the event photography. I carry 2 cameras with myself when I go to event photography, and I just put a 70-200 2.8 on one of them and a 24-70 on another one. But sometimes I need to use my fisheye 60mm lens for capturing some of the vibe of the whole theater or the show or the event or whatever it is. And sometimes carrying around 85mm 1.4 or the 50mm 1.4. So these 2 guys are going to be attached to my wrist and to my belt. I've got a spider holster which can be very useful for photographers which they go for the event photography. And I can just bring 2 more lenses with myself to those events, and I can just exchange them easily whenever I need that. So let's unbox the small one first. The packaging from the K&F is always decent. I've just recently purchased some of their lenses. They have good quality, decent one, and the packaging is respectful. So there is no issue with the packaging here. I like this box, so let's open it up. Okay. Here it is, the small one, which is not very small actually. I think it's quite large in its size, and of course I can fit my 85 and 24mm or the 16 fisheye 50mm 1.4. All those prime lenses can fit easily in this one. The feeling is great. It's heavy duty, and you can just use its strap like this to put it on your shoulder, or you can just attach it to your belt with this here. And if you open it, it has 2 zippers. The zippers, they have these small lovely handles which makes it much easier to open them up. The quality of the zip is great. It's very responsive. And when you open it here, oh, there is a small gift for me. Okay, this is a kind of brief explanation about the material here. Do not wash, no machine wash, do not bleach, air dry, preserve from isolation, and keep away from moisture. Okay, sure. And here we've got this one, which is lovely, from K&F. And I'm not pretty sure it's here. Okay, just twist it like that. And we've got the air blower, which can be handy. And the quality of this one is good too. Thank you, K&F. I love your products. Affordable and good quality. And here is the strap, which you can just attach it to the sides of this pouch, the bag, which I don't need it for now because I'm going to use my belt for that. And here is the coating here, which is quite thick, quite strong, and feels very good. And there is a small space here which you can just maybe put one of your filters or the memory card or whatever you think that may be useful to carry around with yourself. and the door just stays in its place. You know, it seems that there is a kind of mechanism here which you can keep it open like this and you can close it like this, which is very lovely. And there is, as you see, a protection here for the water or the, you know, drops of the water for the zipper here. So this thing can be really amazing to carry your lenses around. So that one was the small one. Let's open up the bigger one, which is the X large size. Watch, my intention to purchase this one was for my 70-200 and 24-70 lens. Okay, as you see, packaging is cool. I purchased these two from Amazon, and let's open it up. Okay, same material, same quality, and it has two of these straps here, which can be very protective if you want to attach it to your backpack. This one is going to definitely work great. And here is the same attachment for attach it to your belt. And again, the zippers with those small handles. Almost everything is similar to the small one, plus the mechanism for the lead here, which you can just open it easily like this. And here we've got a strap for the shoulder, which it has this part which is kind of heavier than the other one, which didn't have this for the small one, but this one has it. And there is another K&F air blower here. Very useful. You can just give it as a gift to one of your friends, because I have many of them left. And again, a very small explanation about the material and the protection measures to be considered. Same quality, amazing, thickness is fine, and I really love the quality of these guys here. So definitely they can be very helpful for you to carry your lenses around and make your life much easier. I love those.